Okay, so in this lesson we're going to start talking about playlists. So let's move over to the playlist section here, and you guys will see that there's nothing added yet. And a lot of people actually forget about the playlist section. They just leave it out or don't use it at all. And I think it's very, very important. Now in this section I'm just going to show you guys how to build playlists and quickly work around it. On the course, I'm going to have another section. We're going to talk in depth about just playlists itself. So this is just quickly how to build playlists. Okay, so very simple. Just go over here and add new playlists. And I always add a few certain playlists. So first playlist that I build is mostly recent uploads. So a reason for that is that I can manually adjust what recently has launched. Then as well, I'm going to build for this specific channel here only 3 more playlists, which is basically tactics and again secrets and strategies. So basically those 3 different topics that we have and different categories here. So think about your concept, think about what you can show and where you can put what in. Okay, so I'm basically going to go over here, new playlist, and I have a certain way of writing things now as well. I'm going to just copy the things again. Recent upload here is basically the first section, and I'm going to write everything in capital letters and do spaces in between of those. Maybe just a hyphen here. Upload, okay. If you got more than that, or if it's a whole sentence, keep it small. It's just going to look too irritating otherwise. Okay, recent uploads, I'm going to create this. It's going to create a new playlist, and right away you've got a playlist. But now, I still want to go over here and add a description text to this. So basically I've written this out already, and I just want to make a small summary of what's actually going to happen in this playlist. So in this video playlist, you'll find all the latest video episodes showcasing YouTube tactics, secrets, and strategies. And then again, another word here, another slogan here: grow subscribers successfully and make money today. Something like that. Also, the spelling is most probably not totally correct, but you guys kind of get the point. So I say done. And I've created this. I can also go back here to the playlist settings, so basically adjust this already. Should it be public or not? Yes, it should be public. Should it be allowing embedding? Yes. And also ordering manually, or most popular, or the latest that you've uploaded. And add the new videos always to the top. Well, you can choose of all these options. I'm going to keep it just to manual because I like to have it with my recent uploads to a manual setting. I'm going to say save over here, and quickly also it's going to be saved. That's great. Go back to playlist, but also show you guys quickly on my Tronics design channel over here. This is what a type of looks like then. Recent tutorial written out like that with capital letters, and as well these videos are the recent videos, but say for instance these 2 videos are not doing that good as these 2 videos. So then I'm going to hide this video actually down below and push this up again a bit further here in the line. So this gets more views again because it's obviously viewed more and people like this more than this. So again, through the playlist system here, I'm trying to figure out what gets viewed more, put that to the top, and the stuff that doesn't get viewed that much, put it down, but it's not necessarily the latest video or the recent tutorial. But more about that in the section we're going to talk just about playlists. Let's also go back again to our playlist section here, and you guys will see that's the first playlist. It just created, there's no videos in it, nothing yet. Let's go to new playlist again, and I'm going to do the same process again. Now I'm going to start with the first video section, which is tactics. So this is one of the video categories that I would most probably do as a concept for this channel. So again, tactics, I'm going to write it out all nice and neat, short spaces here, tactics. Create that, and as well obviously I've wrote a slogan or wrote a text already for this. I'm going to save it, copy it, and put it in here as well. So in this video playlist you find all the latest episodes revolving around YouTube tactics. Punkt. So just a dot there. Then growing subscribers successfully and making money today. Again, something like that. So just simple and plain. Done. Okay, then as well also playlist settings here again. You can obviously play with this and adjust it again. I'm going to keep it everything to the simple settings here: public, manual, and allow embedding. Save, and we're going to continue that process once more. So I'm going to go back to playlists again. I'm going to say new playlist here again. We're going to do the same process for secrets. Okay, let's type that in here. I'm going to make a bit of space. Secrets, great. So create that, done. and as well in this video library you will find this and this. So again, copy this. In this video playlist you'll find all the latest YouTube secret sneaky tricks. That's it, and sneaky tricks. Grow subscribers successfully and make money today. You guys can also be a bit more creative than I am, but just so that you guys kind of get the point, write a text here, not just keep it empty. Refer again to something. Maybe this playlist will be embedded somewhere, or some other YouTubers are featuring this playlist because it's so awesome. Then you've already got an enticing text in here that also intrigues these new people in to subscribe to your channel. I'm going to hit done. Copy the last section, which is then again also strategies for this channel. So let's go back to playlist. So we've got recent upload, tactics, secrets. We go to new playlists again. Just need to move back. New playlists over here, and we're going to write in the new name strategies. Okay. And this also depends on you. Think about short, sweet names for your playlists that make sense. Create, and I'm also going to copy here the text, and it's pretty much the same as well again. So in this video playlist you'll find all the latest YouTube video strategies and marketing techniques for this time. Grow, subscribe successfully and make money today. Bam, that's it, done. Okay, so we've successfully created now 4 playlists, which we're going to integrate now into our channel as well. So as you guys can see, strategies, secrets, tactics, and recent uploads. So I'm going to go back to home. And as well, we're going to start building this really quickly in here. As you guys can see, this is the trailer section. So under the trailer section, I would most probably like to see what's recently on this channel. So I'm going to say here, add section. In the content area here, you can select a lot of varieties here from different things. I'm going to run you guys through that in the course. For now, I'm just going to go with single playlist. Yes, that's the sections. You guys can also read up all about it. Then either horizontal or vertical row. Horizontal row is more or less something like this, where you basically see just the videos next to each other like this, or again vertically where you see 6 videos underneath each other. I really like to keep recent tutorials like this, because it just, if you open the channel like this is the only things that you see, and right away you see more text with more videos, brings in more subscribers again. I believe so. Okay, let's go back. So horizontal row, no. We're going to go to vertical list. Then my playlist, yes, and find a playlist. And first of all, we're going to choose here recent uploads. Again, done. We've got no videos in here yet. That's why nothing is happening, but that's what it looks like. Then add section again. I'm going to do the same process. Again, single playlist. This time you can either go with horizontal or vertical. That you have to experiment with a bit. I would say horizontal row for the second is pretty good. Then as well over here, find playlist. We're going to start out right away with tactics on Mondays. Okay, so that's done. And we're going to add another playlist over here. We're going to do the same process again. Single playlist, horizontal row, yes again. Find a playlist. It's going to be secrets. Okay, so that's the kind of the second topic that we've got here on the channel. And the last would be, again, strategies on Sunday, right? So Sunday all at the bottom. Or if that maybe gets more views in the end or in some stages, then I would move that up again in this whole layout. This also depends. You have to test things throughout your whole YouTube path that you go. So strategies over here. I'm going to hit done. And yes, strategies. There we go. Hit done. Okay, and there we've got it in right now. So you guys can see recent uploads will be 6 videos underneath each other, then tactics all next to each other, secrets all next to each other, and strategies all next to each other. Yeah, and then throughout the course I'm going to go run through again the whole center section here of the layout again and talk again a bit about this. But this is far from done so far. There's still so many options that you can add. For instance, as you guys can see here, videos vertically, videos horizontally, again another playlist, another playlist, another playlist, and then down here again you can refer and feature again your other channels in a vertical list. Again you can put up another playlist and another playlist and another playlist. So prop it full as much as you can with all your videos, so people really surf more on your front layout channel, yeah, and see more of your stuff. The same here with my Retard Pro channel. If you go down a little bit lower, I made it a little bit different as well, also with the channel feature section here, so a little bit slight, a little bit subtle. So yeah, okay, so that's all about this lesson. We're going to go over now in the next lesson to Video Manager, since video is just all about your videos and we don't have any videos yet, which we're going to do throughout the course still. Let's go back to YouTube course, the main channel, and we're going to start now in the next lesson with Video Manager.